Hello, in this video we are going to look at comparison operators. So as the name suggests, it allows us to compare two values and see if these sort of condition is met. So for example, you can check if two values are equal to each other. If they are, then you'll return true. If they're not, they'll return false. So again, we're going to use the wonderful world of print, and inside of here what we are going to do is put couple of numbers. So does 5 equal 5? So that's just the simple comparison operator of checking something is equal to each other. There's another one which checks if it's not equal to each other. So is 5 not equal to 5? And there's actually another similar operator, the comparison operator that's very similar to this, which is like so. But I prefer this one because, you know, the exclamation mark usually implies not in computing. So print. Now in here we can check if the condition, the value on the left is bigger than the value on the right by doing is 5, let's say greater than 6, and then we can do the same but on the other side. And there is another one. This is a pretty cool one. So if we put equal at the end, what this does, it says is the left value greater than or equal to the right value. So if I change this to like a 5, for example, you'll see the result. And that is it for the comparison operators. We'll give it a run and see what we get. So just a few more seconds, this will pump out the output, assuming nothing's gone wrong. So it says true, triple false, true, true. So let's have a look. Does 5 equal 5? Yes, so it's true. That is triple false. Does 5 not equal to 5? It does, so that's false. Is 5 greater than 5? No, it isn't. It's equal to it. And then is 5 less than 5? No, it isn't. It's equal to it. Is 5 greater than or equal to 5? It's not greater than, but it is equal to it. So it's met the condition. And same with that one as well. So that's it for comparison operators. This is one of the key features, not just of Python programming, but coding in general. And you'll be using these operators in some capacity immensely. Trust me, you will be using comparison operators all of the time in stuff like conditional statements and loops, which we'll be covering later on. So that's it for comparison operators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.